Hello guys, and welcome to another video. This is the day 2 of our Canva tutorial on Android. And like I said in previous video, we are going to be learning how to use Canva for 31 days. I'm going to be taking you through a whole lot of designs, and you're going to see how the designs are being made with Canva. But this time around, it's going to be on a mobile phone. We're focusing on Android right now. In August, we're going to be working on iOS devices. So if you don't have a computer and you feel stuck because you don't have a computer, you can't design, you don't even know how to design, this is the channel where I will be explaining and showing you how you can design on your Android devices using Canva. And you're going to be designing top-notch designs. I'm going to be showing those designs to you, and you're going to see those designs that you can come up with your mobile phone. You don't need to use a computer to do this, all right? And you're going to come up with amazing designs, huge designs, wonderful designs, and you're going to be so proud of yourself. So I'm going to turn you guys into a designer in the next 31 days. And that is a promise. You have to stick with me. And if this is the first time coming to this YouTube channel, I want you to turn on the bell notification after subscribing. So you must subscribe and then turn on the bell notification. It's good you do that so you don't miss any of my new videos when we post on this community, DWC Academy. Now, the other thing I want you to know is that there are some links you might want to try in the description below. The first link is access to Canva Pro free for 45 days. If you don't have a pro account, you should go try it out, because I'm going to be showing you things you can find in the free and also in the pro account. And for so many people, you don't have a pro account and you might want to try it, but you just want to be sure what it is first. That's why you should try it. Go and click on the link right now. Is Canva Pro free for 45 days. It's also showing on my mobile phone here, and also in the description below you can find that link. It's 45 days of Canva Pro. You have 15 days extra, and why you're having this is because I am a Canva certified creative. Canva invited me to become a CCC in 2019 December, and I became a CCC, and ever since then I've been creating content and partnered with Canva and a lot of companies. The other one is I want you guys to follow me on Canva right now. I want you to follow me on Canva. All you need to do is tap on the link, the second link that says follow me on Canva. It is the link to my Canva profile, canva.com/p/honor-her-UI. Just go right there and tap on that link and follow me on Canva. So that's it. Today's tutorial is pretty simple. I'm not going to take most of your time. I just want to show you the environment in Canva and some things that you need to know in the editor. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm going to go into Canva here. If you watch the other video showing on the screen right now, the link is just on the top of the screen. If you watch that particular video, if you haven't watched it, I want to encourage you to go ahead and watch that video, where you can get to know what we're going to be learning within this period, and also how you can download Canva and install on your phone, and some other tips and settings you need to know and you need to do so that Canva will properly work on your phone. That is the link, the first video on this playlist. Go and watch that particular video right now. So today, this is Canva, and if you just sign in to Canva, you're gonna come to see an environment like this. This is a new Canva environment, and it's got super cool stuff here. The first one here is for you. The second is social media. You've got presentations, you've got video, marketing, office, and you've got more. Now, when you scroll down, you're going to find social media here, Instagram posts and flyers, social media stuff, posters, so many things like invitations, book covers, your stories, cards, animated, and so many designs. That is why Canva stands out when it comes to drag and drop software that works online. Canva is the best, okay? Now, after seeing all of those things, you might want to start creating your own designs and stuff like that. But one of the great things you also need to know is that there is a short access you have just on the top here that can easily take you to where you can just start putting your designs and stuff like that, like social media stuff. You go for presentations and so many more. You can also just tap on more here, and there's more. You're going to find infographic, photo collage, you can find desktop wallpapers. So that means you can use your phone to create desktop wallpapers, and I'm going to show you all of those things, how to do all of that. You can also come here to create graphs and so much more like that, right? You have office documents, resume, A4, planners, letterhead, you've got proposals, graphic organizers, invoice, checklist, memo, and it's just so many things right here. You've got flyers, you've got a lot, you've got so many of them. You can create certificates here. Okay, you can see a lot of certificates right here that you can go ahead and even start creating immediately. All right, magazine covers, phone wallpapers, so many things. You've got them here in Canva, and that's why I said Canva is one of the best drag and drop designs. Not one of the best, I think Canva is the best drag and drop design software you can find out there that helps you start designing. And the best part of it is mobile friendly, so you don't have to get yourself worried about just having a computer to do that. Okay, now let's say we want to just create a social media post, and I'm just going to pick one here. We're going to go over to this one here. Let's say we want to create one that is for trying to get that. Okay, let's just go here. So I want to create one for your stories, and you just want to start working on this. Now I'm just going to show you what to do. You can either go here and tap on this plus button here, this plus button right here. You can just tap on this plus button, or if you do not want to tap on the plus button, all you can just do is go right here and just click on it, and you're going to get that particular design coming up for you. If you don't want it, you can also go and use the search bar right here. So you can use the search bar right here, and you can just type in whatsoever that you would like to try. For instance, you want to try to type story. You want to type story, and you can see story is going to come up here. Story ad, class dojo story, Facebook story, Instagram story, WhatsApp story. So many stories here, and you just go ahead and just pick it and start creating your designs immediately. You don't have to waste time doing that already. Now that's what you can just do with the search bar and starting your designs entirely. Now for all of these carousels, you can see right here showing different categories of the designs here in Canva, different templates. You can just tap on see all to see the pack in that particular design, in that particular place. You can just tap on it, and you're going to find all of the templates that are existing right there. So that's one of the good things that you can do right here. You can just see so many of them here. Now aside that, you can type the type of story that you want. Let's say your stories, and you can just type motivation. So if you type your story motivation, you're going to find series of motivational templates. Okay, so you can find them here. You can see so many of them here. So the stories right here, you can see them here, it's popping up here. And this is one of the good things about this particular search section here in Canva. It makes it easier for you to search for what you are looking for. Now that's how you can go ahead searching for things in Canva, and you are going to be so amazed that you are getting that done. Now another way to go ahead to start creating designs, like I said earlier on, is just to tap on this button here, and then you can just choose whatever you want to design. Say for instance, Instagram post. You want to create an Instagram post, and then you just tap on the Instagram post. I also want to share one more thing with you guys here. If you are creating designs for the very first time on your phone, if you are designing for the very first time and you are using a free account, you might want to increase the dimension of the design you are creating before you even start creating. What I mean is, just go to home. If you want to start creating, you need to increase the dimension of the design you are already creating. So you need to go to your home, tap on this new here, and what you want to do is you want to go to custom size, and right here in the custom size you want to add up your the size that you want. Usually Instagram used to be 1080 by 1080. That's for Instagram post, but in my case I would not say 1080 by 1080. You can go to your calculator right here. You can go to calculator, just do the math. Say 180, multiply it by 2, you're going to get 2160, or you can say multiply it by 3. Okay, you can multiply it by 3 and you're going to get 3 to 40, right? So it all depends on what you want to use. So if this is what you want to use, 3 to 40, you just need to just copy that number, the value right there, and you just want to paste it here. 3 to 40 is going to also be 3 to 40 by 3 to 40. This is in scenarios when you are creating with a free account. If you're creating with a free account, you don't want to start designing so your designs do not get blurry. Okay, now that's what you can do, and then when you're just done and you like it, just say create design. When you're done creating it on a free account, it's going to be 100% high quality. Okay, and so that's how you go ahead creating that in Canva. So I want to show you one more thing, that even inside your dashboard you can still search for a template and also get the type of template that you are looking for. Right now, to search for template, I can just say sales right here, and you're going to see a lot of templates coming here saying, you can see them here, sales. You can see a lot of sales template appearing right here. Now this is one great thing about this particular Canva app. It gives you the option to still find templates while you are designing from the editor. All right, so let's say you want to also do stuff about, let's say, Black history, and you're going to search for that. You're going to find a lot of templates about that right here for Black history. So you can see it right here. So this is my template here, this one here. I created this template here, and there's so many more. Oh, I also created this template here. So you can see that they are just coming up because of the keywords that I'm using. Another thing you should know is when you see this pro with the crown, it means that it is for only pro users. And the one that doesn't have the crown means it is for free users, for people who are just Canva free users. Now this template is for pro users, and this template too that I created here is for pro users as well. Remember, I told you if you want to use Canva Pro free for 45 days, you can go ahead and use this link here. It's going to give you access to Canva Pro free for 45 days. And don't forget to check my profile in Canva. This is my profile in Canva, so you can just follow me to support the project entirely. And that's about the searching terms here in Canva. The other thing I want to show you how to do is you also have the elements. You have the elements right here, and you also have uploads. Uploads is where you can upload your you can see upload here, so you can upload images, videos, and also your own audio into Canva. You can just do all of that. And then you've got the text right here. This is text where you can add so many texts. You can search for a text that you want to use. You can also scroll to use pre-made text as templates and just use them. Your design. You can go to gallery and choose more stuff from gallery, and then you also have to find more options there, or different things that you can really do with your Canva Android app. So when you go over to templates, don't forget that's where you're going to find a lot of templates that you can easily use. These are suggested templates by Canva. You can go ahead and use them and just choose whatsoever you want, and then you have them. Another thing I want to show you is before you start working on this, you need to understand that you have this place to search for. If you search for sales, for instance, you can still customize the search filter by going to this dot here, this particular dot here. You can just tap on that, and here you can choose the colors of the template that you want. You can also choose the language of the template that you want. Let's say you want a template in Portuguese, Brazil, and then you also want it to have this particular purple right here. You can just go ahead and say apply, and it's going to look for that particular color of template if it's available. You can find some of them right here coming up. You can see them, just a few. In Brazil, you can search in different languages and you're also going to find them. So I'm just showing you exactly what you can do and how you can go ahead to create wonderful, amazing designs using the search, how you can find them on your mobile phone. And these things are super awesome, super cool and fun. You don't have to stress yourself about trying to get a computer. You can do that directly from your mobile phone. Now you have this in the elements section where you have a background, you have flowers and whatsoever here. You have lines and shapes, you have graphics, you have photos, videos, you've got audios, you've got charts, you've got frames and grids, and so much more. In coming videos, I'm going to explain to you the difference between the grids and the frames and how you can use all of these things to create wonderful designs, as we will be doing in the couple of days. So this is what you need to know about the Canva editor and also the Canva dashboard. So guys, that's all for today's video. I do hope that you all like it, and if you do, give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification so you'll be one of the first people to see my videos when I post them every single day. And that's all for today. Follow me on Canva, look at the links in the description and pick the one that's most suitable for you. Get Canva Pro free for 4 to 5 days and begin to enjoy designing pro stuff just when we start in a couple of days. All right, see you guys in the next video, and until then, I dab.